truly. Give it up for her.
What's up, everybody? Okay, I can't say that anymore. Okay, guys. So, in Angry Birds 2, this is all about Terrence. So, what are we going to do about Terrence? I don't know. Shall we claim my hungry little birdie? Basically. It's okay. Papa's gotcha. What kind of feathers I should do? Mac Melody, she's like the lowest. We never get 400. Why we can't get 400? Okay, guys. Let's go to the arena. I mean, not the arena. This. Huh? Okay, guys. Leonard is very good at this because he could get that little pig over there and I just spoil a lot of pigs. No. Sorry, Matilda. Give me Matilda. Just Bomb's alright, but Matilda's very. Should we get Matilda because of this? Like we get over there, shoot it right there, and boom. So let's try ourselves an earthquake. Are you serious? Right now. Let me just explode it. Ah! How are we doing a terrible job at this? There's Leonard, thank you. Hey, it won't get. How they get through the? They got through that portal. We didn't go through that portal. That freaking Portal Combat. Red. Earthquake there. Die! Die, all of you! Die! Don't you worry, Terrence can do it. I can believe you. I believe you, Terrence. We gonna get ourselves 12. 12, okay. Do we? How are we supposed to get silver over there because of this dumb rocket is around? It's from us. Just splat it. Just splat everyone if you can manage. Come on. Just fall already. I got things to do. This time I can use silver. Destroy all those pigs! 1,000 is the max, man. There's a rotten pig over there. I hate it. Poor pig, snowman. We'll place high. Okay, I'm in 11th. Piggy McCool. Oh, he's a leader. Let's check over there in Mighty Crabs. I say Mighty Crabs is Mighty Eagle, not Mighty Crabs. Mighty crabs, I'm allergic to mighty crabs. Yeah. Training, yes. This is about to be too easy. I ran out of spells because I use them in those hard adventures from Little Einstein. Pixnu. Are you serious? That big old... Come on! Matilda! Dude, never watch a Matilda movie. It's so good, so rude, and also she always rigged me up. And also hype me up! Do we get silver? Thank you. I would love to get some of those extra birds, but no, because I care about my highest bird. And also I get 2 of my extra birds. Bye-bye, little piggy. I have a bow tie. Why we got this over there? Hold up. I know that's a terrible idea. That was a terrible idea. Come on, go over there. Yeah, let me do. That wasn't a good one. Yeah, let me do. This is. Boy. No. Come on, terrorists. Don't let me down. I wish it was snowy. We got a lot of ourselves like a lot of snowy. That was great because I can't wait for winter to start snowing. Blast off, Rocket League! Blast off! Yeah. Ooh, that did not. Head pop in your face. Bro, this is gonna be a lot of work. I can live with that. What I have to do? Let's just take it up a notch. No, I don't think it will be worth it. Now, destroy. Come on, Chef Pig, come on. I know you want to. That dude is gonna fall off. Yes, let's go, Terrence. Birdie. right, guys. You've been all waiting for this. You've been a good job. Comment down below, are you ready for this? We are ready. We're super ready. Come on. I can't wait. Hold up. I'm not gonna do that. So. Yes. Come on, mighty crabs. I keep saying mighty crabs. So. No, that's not what I meant to do. Okay, guys. We're gonna do not you. We're not doing you. We are not doing Terrence. I'm so sorry. What do I don't want? Leonard is doing a good job. I don't think he's gonna be helpful. You know what? He's doing a good job. I want Chuck. No, I don't want Chuck. I'm sorry, Chuck. I hope we get into the #1 leader. Are you serious? We started something stupid. Just give me Melody and boom. Just start doing this because just little. That dude is falling asleep, and now he's just awake. But we did a good job. Now that was close. Now let's start doing things. Destroy them, everything in your path. Destroy. Come on, eat their bowels. What? That wood. We got silver. If we get. Oh my freaking gosh. Oh my word! Those pigs doesn't stand a chance. We about to be #1, guys. We did a good job because we got ourselves the highest birds we can manage. We got ourselves silver. Well, we about to be #1. I can fit on it. I can fiddle on a cat and a fiddle. Yay, down! Oh! Get out! Boom! We didn't get that explosion. That's fine. But this is about to be a good run. Hold up. I want to try silver. Get out! Attack! Oh, I did not even. Actually, no, that piece was about to stay there. Actually, we got ourselves a new round. Right over there on this 6. So, we did ourselves a good job. And by the way, I'm proud of y'all. Subscribe to the channel. I did myself a good job. 32. Yes! We did it! We're #1, baby! #1 with 20 million! Bye-bye, everyone. If you like the video right now. And subscribe, comment down below. Your YouTuber is the best in Angry Birds 2. Bye-bye!